I didn't actually have any plans to film today, but I'm hungry and I want to go to a restaurant. It's 7:30 on a Sunday and I'm not exactly central Seoul. Right, so the minimum order is 500 grams. In Korea, it's hard to find like a Korean barbecue place that accommodates just for one person. Usually it's a minimum of like 2 people. It's all in Korean, so I'm just gonna go with what looks best. 안녕하세요. Sorry. 감사합니다. 감사합니다. All these little snacks brought over.
생맥 세트 2잔인데 한 잔 먹고 다 먹은 다음에 또 바꿔줄게요.
Chan told me to pack a prison.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. Yeah. I think she was explaining that I ordered one that comes with 2 drinks. But she's going to bring one at a time.
포크? 젓가락 괜찮아?
Poku. Oh, no. This. Yeah. Oh, she's really sweet. First meat selection brought over. Then you cut it up with these scissors. Put it in bite-sized portions. Wow, that is tender. Melty cheese and barbecued meat, that works. You need to hit the meat with some kimchi because it just cuts through the grease. Amazing. I have these little sauces. It's like a peanutty, not satay, but there's peanuts in it. And then sea salt and pepper. I wish I was cooking the meat all at the start, all at once. Because now I have to wait for it to cook. And I'm going to try just the salt. Just the salt is awesome. It lets the natural flavour of the meat come through. Now look at that. Beautiful char and that fat is rendering. I think the pork might be my favourite one out of that and the beef. All these little extras you get as well to go with the food, it just adds something extra to the whole experience because you can really customise what you're eating, like the kimchi and the pickled ginger. If you're having too much fattiness, you can hit some kimchi and it will just cut away with that grease in your mouth. I did good, but I think I may have underestimated the sheer amount of food. I feel like I need to slip into like a deep sleep and hibernate for a little while now. 37,000 won, which is just over 19 pounds. I can understand why the majority of Koreans come out to eat so regularly